All right, widespread cold across the west as we go through the rest of this week. We'll have a series of storms as well, but the cold air is locked in. In fact, probably the most widespread area of cold and snow that we've seen in the western United States so far this winter, and it's going to cause some major travel delays here over the next couple of days. We'll even see a little bit of snow in Seattle and Portland late tonight, tomorrow morning. Won't be a lot, coating to an inch, but boy, lots of problems through the Cascades. Watch for some snow, a few to several inches in the Siskiyous and the central and northern Sierra. And we're also going to have problems across the Intermountain West, because not only are we going to get the snow in the mountains, but we're going to have snow in Reno, in Elko, Nevada, all the way toward Salt Lake City. So that's your Interstate 80, and we have blizzard warnings out in south central parts of Wyoming. So in this blue area, we have the snow, the wind, and the cold, and those winds are going to be quite gusty, especially in the southwest as we go through today, and that will cause some travel delays. You can see the snow map. It's pretty extensive, and certainly the heaviest snow is going to be in the mountains. There's no question about that. But you'll notice the snow, as I mentioned, throughout the Intermountain West, even in the lowlands here, and that means problems. Boy, I-15 is going to be a big problem through Utah as we go through our Tuesday night. I mentioned Interstate 80, also Interstate 40 around Flagstaff, several inches of snow as we go through tonight and tomorrow, and I-25, including Denver on northbound. Denver, you're going to get your snow later tonight and tomorrow as well. Now, that's not the only storm that we're tracking. This late week storm is not going to be as widespread as its predecessor, but it's going to be more focused in the California. Now, the largest impacts with this storm is going to be in Southern California, as we're going to be looking at a deepening upper low that goes right across Southern California Friday night into Saturday. There will be impacts in Central California. There will be bands of some heavier snow in the Siskiyous and the northern and central Sierra that will cause some problems. Snow levels down in the Bay Area go down to 1,000 feet or so some of the hills can have some snowflakes, and we will have a soaking rain in San Francisco. But the biggest impacts by far are going to be in Southern California Friday night and Saturday. I think we're looking at about 3 to 6 inches of rain in the Los Angeles basin, even down into San Diego. And the snow levels will get all the way down to 2,000 feet into the Southern California mountains. And that means we're going to get accumulating snow along I-5 through the Grapevine. That can shut that down, where we could be looking at over a foot of snow. Also I-15 to the San Bernardino Mountains. Also I-14 through the Tehachapis, Soledad Pass can also get over a foot of snow. So the combination of the rain and the flash flooding and the snow and the threat of closures through those passes means that travel here, especially Friday and Saturday, can cause widespread delays. Travel may be next to impossible at some point Friday night and Saturday across Southern California. The rains begin on Thursday, the worst of the storm late Friday and the Saturday. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out these other videos here and be sure to subscribe for new content and the latest weather news from AccuWeather.